Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making Big Mac sliders. Enjoy the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified whenever we post a new video. Let's get started. For this recipe you will need ground beef, Hawaiian rolls, American cheese, yellow onions, shredded lettuce, butter, ketchup, mayonnaise, yellow mustard, pickles, sweet relish, seasonal, cayenne pepper, black pepper, Worcestershire sauce, garlic powder, onion powder, and sesame seeds. Begin by making Big Mac sauce. In a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of mayo, a half tablespoon of ketchup, 1 teaspoon of mustard, and 1 tablespoon of sweet relish. Mix thoroughly. Next, slice Hawaiian rolls in half. In a skillet, add a tablespoon of olive oil. Add and break up ground beef. Season the ground meat to taste. Remove the top buns. Spread Big Mac sauce on the bottom buns. Add American cheese. Then ground beef. And more American cheese. Place the top buns and cover with foil. Bake at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Remove the top buns. Dress with lettuce, diced onions, pickles, and more Big Mac sauce. Place the buns back on top and brush with melted butter. Lastly, sprinkle sesame seeds on the buns. And there you have it, Big Mac sliders. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.